Hi internet friends, welcome back to another episode of the Declutter series, and today we're actually going to be doing a bit of organisation as well. I'm finally going to be tackling the lipstick drawer, which honestly is one of the drawers that I've been very hesitant to actually try and organize. As you guys can see from this clip, it's just so much product, complete utter chaos. I didn't really have any proper storage units, but we got some from Etoile. I think that's how you pronounce the brand. So we've got some inserts for the drawer, and then we also have this 50 lipstick organization thing. I don't know what they're called, but all the information and links to where I got them will be down in the description box down below. This is not a paid thing, not an affiliate thing. I genuinely looked online for places that actually sold organization pieces, and then this brand is also based in Australia. I think they have a warehouse in Melbourne and also in Sydney, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna order from them because then it's going to arrive sooner and I can just finally get this over and done with. Again, this is the organization piece that I ordered. Again, this is from this brand, Etoile, I think that's how you pronounce it. So they're basically like inserts like that, so you can put them into the drawer. These ones are actually specifically designed to work with Alex drawers, which are drawers available from IKEA. I've pretty much got the stereotypical YouTube setup where I've got Alex drawers, and I'm just gonna put these into the drawers, but first I have to declutter the drawer, get rid of everything that's in there, give it a good wipe down, and then insert this, and then start putting in the lipsticks. And then I have another piece. This is a 50 lipstick holder thing. They have a lip gloss one as well, but I'm thinking of putting the lip glosses in this one as well, just like here in the back row, and then the short lipsticks in the front row, and then leave this one maybe here on the vanity as like a display piece, sort of like what this one is doing here. By the way, this one's from Etoile. This one I think I got as a PR gift, I think. I don't really remember, but kind of like this, but I'm going to try and organize it a little bit more so it's a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. And then this is a little bit off topic for today's video, but I also got this one. This is a palette organization piece from Etoile as well, so you can kind of like insert your palettes that way, which I'm gonna do for another video, I think. I'm not really sure just yet, but yeah, that's the plan for today. Yes. I'm gonna first tackle this, just take everything out and kind of sort out as I go through, which I'm keeping, which I'm throwing, because everything in this drawer is all used. Like none of them are like samples that are still sealed, so it's going to be pretty simple. Things that don't belong here, put them into the other drawers that they belong in, and then everything else that either have gone off or I don't use anymore, I'm just going to throw away, because yeah, a lot of it's old, to be honest. Like I think I have some lipsticks in here that I've had for a few years. Like this one from Kylie. This one is like the old formulation when the brand first came out. So this has definitely gone off. So I'm going to chuck them. The lipsticks that are in like these bullet forms, especially the limited edition ones, I'm definitely keeping. Like this one. This is the L'Oreal Balmain one. Definitely keeping that one. And then lipsticks that are in the bullet form, if they smell okay still, I'm going to keep them, because I find like lipsticks like this, they actually tend to last a really long time. Then lip liners, they tend to last a long time as well. It's really just more like the liquid lipsticks. If I've had them for so long, they've probably gone off. Like this one's from Too Faced Melted Latex. I think I've had that for at least a couple of years now. So yeah, I'm just going to try and chuck as much out because, yeah, hoarder life. As you guys can see, I have managed to actually clean the drawer, so I had to use a cream cleanser. So I used my normal multi-purpose cleaner, but it just didn't seem to like break down everything. So I tried makeup wipes as well because I had some spare, and just it wouldn't break down. So cream cleanser worked for this. So I've just dried it, making sure everything's dry before I install the actual dividing pieces. And yeah, I'm gonna do that next. finally set this up. So my partner, I actually have to call him to help me do this because I could not figure out how to get everything in place. But yeah, it's all in place now. So I just need to put, where's that? I got some blue tack. I'm going to put it at the back corner because it doesn't exactly fit 100%. To clarify what I mean by it doesn't fit 100%, like there's still a gap here. Let me just pull this to the front, but you can see there's still that much space. So it's going to move around if I don't secure it. So I'm going to put some blue tack towards the back and hopefully that kind of keeps everything in place. And then yeah, I'm just going to stack the lipsticks. And by the way, that's like the pile of stuff that's the pile I'm keeping. That's a bag of rubbish now. Yeah, it's going to be a very interesting day how I'm going to sort all of this. Okay, the next issue with this drawer is now how I want to organize it. I have a lot of lipsticks from different brands, so I don't really know how I want to do this. Okay, ta-da! So that's pretty much all the lipsticks that I have that are sort of like this height that will fit in here. Everything else that I own are like really long sort of like lip gloss containers, like these ones from Maybelline. Like they just don't fit here when they're standing up. So it just gives me a lot more room. I didn't realize I have so much room still. So does that mean I can have more lipsticks? I don't know. I probably own a lot more lipsticks, to be honest. I just haven't opened them. They're really just in their packaging still. So yeah, it's kind of good to just see them organized like this. Like I said, I kind of wanted them to be all sort of like the same height, same level. I don't know, maybe give it another day or two. I might fiddle around and maybe put the longer ones towards the back. That way it's a little bit more cohesive and like all the short lipsticks are here towards the front. But at the moment, that's what I've got, and I'm actually pretty impressed with that. So yeah, I'm now going to move on to the lipstick holder that has 50, and then I'm going to put all the longer lipsticks in that and then see how far I can get with that. I'm actually quite surprised at how long it's taken me to do this. I have been stopping and going because I've been watching a show, listening to music, having conversations and stuff like that. But yeah, that's pretty good. I'm pretty impressed and pretty happy with that. This is the view from when you open the drawer. So you guys can see the longer lipsticks kind of like rattle around, but that's fine. But at least I can see the labels. I really like these ones because you can kind of tell what the shades are without having to actually pull the whole thing out. It's just with these matte ones I kind of remember which is which. Okay, finally I have settled on a temporary style, I think. I'm not sure, I might change it up again. But I've essentially put everything upside down again so I can see the shade again instead of having to pull the whole thing out. Lip glosses at the front except for these two. These two are liquid lipsticks, but again they're short, so I thought they'd be better at the front. And then at the back it's more liquid lipsticks really. These two are glosses, and these are more like lip pencils from Maybelline, but you can kind of use them either or, lip pencil or a lipstick on their own. And then we've also got some from Model Co. But yeah, I'm surprised there's still heaps of space, and I didn't actually want to put these here. I kind of want to keep them in the drawer, but it just looks so empty. I thought I'll just keep them there until I get more lipsticks, or if I get sent more lipsticks that are slightly longer, I can put them in the back. Again, I probably have longer ones like this in the drawer that I haven't opened yet, but again, I don't really want to open them because the sheer amount of lipsticks that I have already open is ridiculous. So yeah, I think this is just going to sit right in front of the mirror for now, and then much like with the brushes, I'll just put them back when I'm not using them. I think that's going to be the plan. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for today's video. I'm honestly a bit pooped already. I mean, it's not like I did a lot, but I'm pooped already just trying to organize all of that. So I might film again in the next day or two. This time maybe the other drawers that I have, like the eyeshadow drawers, but we'll see how things go. But yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying this Declutter Organisation series so far. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.